Do you have a credit card? Do you want to take a credit card, or you're stuck with paying credit card bills? Want to come out of this rat race? Then watch this video. You will understand what is credit card, how credit card works, how to use credit card properly, benefits and drawbacks of having credit card. Firstly, let us understand difference between debit card and credit card. Debit card is directly linked with your bank account. If you have money in your bank account, then you can take it or use it through debit card. Suppose if you have 10,000 rupees in your bank account, then you can take it or use it through debit card. Credit card means certain amount given by a bank for few account holders. Like if you have a business, banks will provide you credit card based on your annual income. Or if you are a salaried employee, banks will provide you credit card based on your salary. Let's say suppose if you are earning 15,000 every month, then banks will provide you 30,000 limit of credit card. For example, banks provides you 1 lakh credit limit on January 1st, and you can use that 1 lakh for 30 days. Like you have used 15,000 for shopping, 5,000 for food, 2,000 for traveling and 3,000 for personal use. Overall, you have used 25,000 in 30 days. And on 1st February, bank sends you credit card statement of rupees 25,000 to pay it within 18th Feb. Here banks will give you timeline 15 to 20 days to pay your bill. Here you have to pay the bill amount within due date, or else bank will add an extra charges on your outstanding amount. If you don't have money to pay outstanding, then it will give you an option to pay at least minimum amount like 3,000 rupees, so you can pay the minimum amount. There are several benefits of having credit card. The first benefit is banks provide you free credit card up to 30 days. If you don't have money, then you can use credit card for freely. Second benefit is you can get loans easily. Say you want to borrow home loan after 2-3 years, but you have not taken any loans earlier and you are applying for loans first time. Banks checks your CIBIL score and decides whether they should provide you loan or not. CIBIL score means the points you will get based on your transaction history, like whether you have paid the bills on time or not. So if you want to take a loan after 2-3 years, then start using credit card so that your CIBIL score increases and you can easily get loans. Third benefit is you can use it for recurring payments. If you are paying online payments regularly like monthly subscriptions or registrations on any websites, then use credit card to make those payments. Fourth benefit is we can overcome fraud transactions. Suppose we are making payments for some international websites, we use our debit card and will give card details and CVV number, and some websites are unsafe. They can hack our account and they can take all our money. So for suppose if you have 2 lakh in your account, everything they will take it out. Instead, if you use credit card and keep limit 50,000, you will lose only 50,000 instead of losing 2 lakh. So by using credit card also risk is there, but compared to debit card, risk is less. Fifth benefit is it helps on emergency time. Suppose we don't have money to pay our medical bills or hospital bills. In such situations, credit card helps to pay those bills. This is one of the best benefit. Next benefit is if you use credit card for shoppings or online payments, you will get some reward points and you can convert those reward points into cash, or you can freely purchase any other products. And next benefit is discounts and cashbacks. In Amazon, Flipkart, you only can see many discounts and cashbacks. We get many offers and discounts. If you are making payments using our credit card, we will get so many discounts. Next benefit is tracking facility. Every month we will receive credit card statement. In that we can see how much we spent for movies, how much we spent for food, how much we spent for traveling, and we can see all our expenses and we can reduce some of our expenses in upcoming months. Last benefit is you can opt for EMI. For suppose if you are purchasing product using credit card but you cannot pay full amount within due date, then you can select an EMI option. For example, if you have a purchase mobile of rupees 30,000 and you can convert that 30,000 into EMI and can pay 5,000 rupees every month. These are all benefits of having credit card, and there are also few drawbacks of having credit card. Let us see one by one. Like I said earlier, banks will provide you 50 days time to pay the credit card bill. The question is why they provide credit card? What is the use for them providing credit card without charging any interest? And why often banks call us, do you want a credit card? And why banks provide 50,000 credit limit even though we are earning 20,000 salary? The answer for all this question is Yes, initially banks will provide you free credit card and they will make us credit younger person and you will fall into credit trap. At the end we cannot pay that 50,000, we will start paying minimum amount. So banks will charge 30 to 40% of interest on our outstanding amount. So by this way banks will be benefited. Second drawback is withdrawing money from ATMs. If you withdraw money from ATM using credit card, then you have to pay extra 300 rupees for each withdrawals. Credit cards are only provided for online transactions and card payments. So avoid withdrawing money from ATMs. How you can pay credit card bill? Most of the people don't know how to pay credit card bill. You can pay it through net banking if you are using net banking option, or you can pay it through link. Banks will send you link through email or message. You can open that link and you can pay it, or you can pay it through payment apps like example Paytm, Google Pay or Phone Pay. Hope you understand about credit card and how it works. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Fortune Ideas. Have a great day.